where can buy card? Another side column is also here. People finish shopping already. Xiaomai also, take a look.
Don't have it?
Don't have. Okay. Very popular in the Philippines. Also have in Baguio, in Manila. This is shawarma. 24 hours. I will go upstairs. Usually weekdays, many students, 75 peso pick up. This is Rayat. Coffee shops, many coffee shops here. So 375, this is menu. And not comfortable here. But now, same. Blue taxi in this number. Persian siamai 50 peso. Pork, sheep, siamai from coconut 25. This is main shop. Maybe available. Hi everyone. Today is Sunday, December 28th. I am on the way to SM City Clark. I want to show to you outside SM City Clark skyline. Take a look, heavy traffic right now. If don't have parking space for me, maybe I will park in the Fields Avenue. Because in the Fields Avenue don't have people, don't have tourists, empty parking near choking. Everywhere in Fields Avenue now empty. Many people now maybe in the Clark or SM Clark also. Clark playground maybe many people. But I will go to walking later if don't have already sun. I don't want to walk because hot now. It's temperature, it's 31 now. No, don't have parking space. Maybe people buy souvenirs for New Year. Even wallet, take a look, even wallet full. No, I will go to Fields Avenue and park on Fields Avenue. It's better walk to SM Clark from Fields Avenue. Easy to park, only motorcycles have space. Clark City Front Mall. Also many cars park. Here empty, don't have people. So I will show to you. Take a look, it's Fields Avenue empty. I don't want to go to Fields Avenue because don't have people right now. I walk to the SM City Clark. This bus going to Clark Airport, regular loop. Also going to Mabalacat Gate. Take a look. No, thank you. Are you going to Clark Gate? Where can buy card?
You have a card?
No, don't have. Where can buy?
Card.
Huh?
Card, no problem.
Need card.
Yes.
Where can buy? Where?
Shopee.
It's Shopee. Okay, thank you. In Shopee you can buy card. You cannot use this bus without card. Shopee, you know, it's Lazada, Shopee. This place popular evening. Many people after work sit here and eat and rest also. Empty now. But I will go to the bridge. This jeepney also going to the Clark Hostel. It's a playground also, to playground. This is popular bridge. When already built road here, maybe bridge will remove. Yes, I think this bridge will be removed. Now I put column. I will show to you this column, because I prepare now. And another side column is also here. Take a look. That's why we remove this is hotel and Korean restaurant this side. Prepare for road, for bridge. And I will go to Skyline. Skyline, it's a train station. They build train station in Skyline. This name called it First Street in Angeles City. This side is Lakandula, Angeles City. Lakandula is already part of Mabalacat. First Street, it's Angeles City. This is a bridge. First time I meet with Shira. It's about more than 10 years ago. I will not go inside because aircon cold for me. I will walk outside only to Skyline. People finish shopping already in Sam Clark. Discounts right now. Some of people waiting jeepney. It's good near park. This is park, I will show to you. This is park. You can buy flowers also here. And people waiting jeepney here. Siamai also, take a look. This is Siamai. Sometimes Shira buy with Siamai. 50 peso only. Gulaman 20 peso. This is Buka juice. Coconut juice. Coconut minimum price is 40 peso, maximum is 100 peso. Buka shake 100 peso. You see how I do. Take a look, so many ice. Maybe coconut, not so many. Coconut juice, not so many, but many ice. Yogurt, frozen yogurt. Regular is 59 peso regular. 4 pieces. And egg station. You can buy egg also. Seoul Food House. What they sell? Seoul Food House. This is bestseller. Bestseller already don't have, not available. This one. I don't know what is this. Okay, I will go to the Skyline. I will show to you Skyline. Republic CR. Pasta. I will not go SM because cold. I recommend you to use BPI. BPI, you can take 20k. 20k. SM store. This is entrance to SM store. Or maybe I go inside and I check have discount or not. I want to buy PakSafe. I already prepare order in online, but I check if cheaper here, I will buy here. Right now, yes. I will switch off camera. PakSafe. I like this brand. I want to see if have or not what I want. I have same. I don't have. Do you have slim? Slim.
Small, sir?
Yes, small.
You don't have, sir?
Don't have. Okay.
Boutique, sir. Boutique.
Boutique. Another outside. Okay, I know. It's the same price also 10%?
10%.
Same 10%. Oh, you don't know?
You don't, I would not.
Ah,
No, sir.
okay.
But this department store have a 10%.
Same. Okay, thank you very much, thank you. As you already see, don't have same what I want, but today have discount PakSafe, 10% off if you have smart card. I have smart card, of course. Maybe in my smart card already have points and I can buy cheaper. This is exit, another exit of SM Clark. Take a look. Before this is big parking, but now parking very small because they built a train station. Yeah, this is for train station. That's why parking. Usually I park my car here because I need to go to Maxi checkup. This is Maxi. It's very popular in Angeles City. Not only in Angeles City, very popular in the Philippines. Also have in Baguio, in Manila. You see, they prepare for train station. And maybe train station, they call it Skyline also. Only available parking for motorcycle. Oh, they close already. Welcome to Canada. I forgot name. Here is popular. Alphamart. Alphamart have 24 hours because so many people here work in call center. Romantic Peak. Baboy. It's Peak. Romantic Peak. Pizza. Pizza. This is Beta Coffee. Same Beta Coffee have in the Clark City Front Mall. This is popular Buffett. Sumo, Nico, Japanese barbecue. Also this place is good for sit outside. If who don't want with aircon, You can sit outside. Shawarma have. This is shawarma. 24 hours with working shawarma. Interesting. I don't know price. This one. Shawarma mini 80 peso. And big 95. So this, you can see price of shawarma. Buy 3 get 1 free. No, it's not shawarma rice. Shawarma rice. Excuse me, you working 24 hours, really?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Night time also people have?
Yeah, the call center.
Call center, that's why we eat shawarma.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for information. Thank you. What's why call center? This is call center. You see, this is call center. Of course, people who work in call center, they eat night time. Also for call center, also coffee. How much coffee here? This, you can see price coffee. Premium, classic. Okay. And you can use also Gcash. And here it's close. Okay. Another call center. Take a look, it's so many call centers here. That's why busy, even night time busy. I will walk outside Skyline, outside SM, and I will show how many people outside right now. Inside, of course, many. Okay, I will go upstairs. This is another entrance to SM. Okay, we will check this side. Usually weekdays, many students after 5 p.m. they finish study and walk. Another coffee. Yes. Pick up coffee. 75 peso. Pick up. Usually people take selfie here. It's good view to Arayat. Yes. This is Arayat. I take video for you.
Sabi mo kasi, papa. Pinalapit na sa'yo yung ano mo. Okay. Kakasabi mo lang yan.
Many students here. Usually they sit. North parking. Parking always busy, don't have space. Even I not want to try because only morning available. Evening not easy to find space here. Yes, always busy. Parking. It's for animals. It's empty. This side empty. Okay, we'll go downstairs. Downstairs many restaurants, coffee shops. Time now for 10 p.m.
Uy, nabong.
Okay, I will go downstairs and show to you. Another entrance to SM. No, so many people and they called for me because I am wet. I don't want to go inside with aircon. Starbucks always busy. From morning to evening always busy. Many people inside, outside. Okay, we're going to another side. I hope you can hear me because I not use wireless microphone. I bring only my camera without microphones. Coffee shops, many coffee shops here. Chupacabra. This is Chupacabra. Mexican foods. I don't know, don't have price. This way to go into parking. And this coffee shop, one. It's rice. Chun rice. Chupacabra. Here already have price. You can see price combo 353, 326. So maximum price is 588. And also here price list. I think you can read. Not so many tables here, but it's okay. It's good. Mama Louis, Italian kitchen. Okay, we're going to another site where Fridays. Dennis. All day trio 375. So 375, this is menu 375. Okay, maybe it's music copyright. Need to try someday. And also 388 this one. This look like Chinese menu. Yes, look like Chinese. A holiday store, December 31 from 9 to 7, and January from noon to 10 working. Modern Shanghai. Modern Shanghai. Shang, not Shanghai. Texas Bistro. Texas is from 245 to 45. Take a look, this is entrance of parking. As I say already to you, parking always full. Full parking. Price, motorcycle 20, car 30, it's already 1 year. Watson. Oh, Watson is good here because if go inside the Sam Clark, Watson full of people, but here Watson is big and don't have so many people. If you don't want to stay in big line, better go to this side. And not so far. Take a look. It's near entrance parking and very close, in front of a coffee bean. Shop, Japanese meal. Okay. Japanese restaurant. And this is Fridays, American bar and grill. Not many people today. I remember we sit here with our friend and full of people, but now even inside and outside don't have people. Hi. What about coffee bean? Coffee bean, more people. You can sit in coffee bean inside, outside. A long time they broke an aircon maybe. Not work aircon, because I remember even maybe 1 year ago they put portable aircon and not comfortable here. But now, same. Portable aircon, maybe main aircon not working. That's why better sit outside. Outside more better, fresh air and have space for seat. Why many people? Because it's also near, very close, have a call center. 7-Eleven. This is entrance to call center. Not only one, it's many call centers in this building. ATM. BDO. Oh, BDO today working until 6 p.m. Always traffic here, always. Better not go to SM. Better park in near SM and walk to SM. Have space only in the third floor. I walk more faster than these cars.
Tumakbo pa kalsada yung bahay.
People waiting blue taxi.
Taxi.
Yes. Grab also have blue taxi, Grab. You can book blue taxi in this number. This. I have Facebook also. And no booking fee. This is entrance to SM hypermarket. I will show to you they work until 31 until 8 o'clock. January also working until 10. Okay, last car. Good. Persian Avenue. Persian Avenue. How much is? Okay, 85 peso. This is jeepney stop to San Fernando. San Fernando, Pampanga. Also to Parag. They use SC-Tex. SC-Tex, it means faster. Hi. Hi.
Shout out me, shout out. Shout out. You want shout out?
Okay. Guys, where are you from?
Madabdab.
Madabdab?
Yes.
Near my home. I am from Mabalacat, Kamachilis. Yeah, Dabdab is near Mavoki, through Mavoki Drive. Yes, good place. Good place, yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye. So we take jeepney to even Madabdab. It's near my home. Little bit far. Let's see. Siamai also. Siamai 50 peso. Pork, sheep, Siamai 50. Japanese Siamai 60 peso. And Gulaman 20 peso Gulaman. This is also buko. Fresh buko. Many ice, of course. From coconut. Coconut juice mixed with ice. Okay, I will go again. Parking full. Better walk. I go into another exit. But I will go inside to exit. I want to see again PakSafe back. I want to buy smaller than this. Good. Only put phone. Sometimes I need small. PakSafe is very comfortable and safety. You can read in internet. It's not advertising. It's just only I say to you what I like. I'm already near main entrance. Okay, I will show to you main bus station I will show.
Okay, go on.
Weekend market. This is market only in weekend. You can buy fruits, vegetables also. Only weekend. And this bus stop of Clark Loop. You see, you can read where you can buy card. You can also download this application. And you can load in Clark, SM Clark and airport. You can use only card or only application, not need card. Just download only application. I will download and show to you, really. Okay. I will show to you what need to do. And not need to buy card. Just only show, scan only in the bus. People waiting for the bus. Many people don't have bus now. Oh, Genesis already from Dow. Pick up and drop off only. Only pick up. Pick up is allowed, not park. So this is bus going to the Dow, SM Clark and Clark Airport only. So it's bus not going to Manila. It's only local. From Dow to airport. Clark Airport. This is schedule I will show to you. It's the same. They not change. They not change schedule. Holidays 2025. But mall is closed in January 1. You can buy also flower here. Take a look. Who want to go to the holiday, birthday party, you can buy. And this place is for taxi, for waiting taxi. Okay, I will go inside. Okay, not problem. If little bit I walk, not long time, even I'm wet, it's not problem. I just switch camera to night mode because don't have so many lights. See how good looking entrance in the SM Clark. Go inside. I want to see PakSafe. PakSafe. Oh, many many people, many. Cold. So I don't want to walk more here. Long time I don't want. Just I go to straight to PakSafe store. I try to faster. It's very close, PakSafe, and very close another gate of most of tourists know. Jollibee, many people. I will show to you PakSafe shop. Another PakSafe shop. One is an SM store, and this is main shop. Maybe available. I will show to you what I want to buy. This one. Yes, this. I don't know, have discount or not. Hi. This one. This one I want to buy. This black color only I want. Excuse me, now don't have discount for this bag.
We don't have discount, sir.
How much now?
I will check, sir. This one, sir, is 3,790, sir.
3,700. If SM card I use the 10% discount don't have also.
We don't have, sir, but we accept cards, sir.
Accept card.
Yes, sir.
But discount don't have right now.
We have discount, sir. If you have a MasterCard, sir, you get 15% discount.
15%
if you,
discount.
Purchase 10,000 pesos.
From 10,000 pesos
Yes.
have discount 50% from
15,
MasterCard.
15%.
15%, yes.
Yes, sir.
Philippine MasterCard.
Yes,
Or
sir.
any.
Any MasterCard.
Okay. Black color available or not? Because I see only have blue, red and gray.
We have gray, green, red, and blue.
Red and blue.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for information.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So you already understand what I want to buy. I show to you and you already see. I will buy online, of course, because here don't have discount, and I already prepare my order in PakSafe shop and delivery from Hong Kong. Cheap. So I save about 600 peso safe. 600 peso safe if I buy online from Hong Kong shop because I have discount. I always buy many PakSafe bags. But sometimes in the Philippines also have discounts good. So that's why you can buy also here in SM Clark in the Philippines. Sometimes cheaper in SM Clark, sometimes cheaper in online. It depends of situation. Okay, we will go to upstairs. We go to upstairs. This is SM City Clark is full of people before New Year. Again, I will go to the bridge. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.